The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate non-invasive handheld photoacoustic imaging of the sentinel lymph node using a clinical ultrasound system and to illustrate real-time photoacoustic needle guidance.
Photoacoustic imaging, a hybrid imaging modality combining light and ultrasound, provides high optical contrast, high resolution, deep tissue imaging in vivo. However, translating photoacoustic imaging into clinical application is challenging.
This work presents a handheld real-time photoacoustic imaging system by integrating light illumination with a clinical ultrasound platform.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Kathyayini Sivasubramanian, a PhD student, and Vijitha Periyasamy, a research staff from our laboratory.
Turn on the laser by switching on the AC power and turning the key on the laser controller to the left. To set the Q switch delay, press the select key till you see the delay value and increase it to 170 microseconds. Then, set the repetition rate to 10 Hz to ensure low laser energy, and start the laser. Open the laser wavelength tuning software, select the Go To menu, enter the wavelength as 675 nanometers, and press the Start button to set the wavelength to 675 nanometers. Then, press the shutter button and turn the laser on using the switch. Use a 1-inch diameter plano-convex lens with a focal length of 15 mm to focus the laser beam to the fiber bundle so that all the light falls on the fiber input end. Once aligned, switch off the laser.